Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Hole 19 app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is go ahead and download and install Hole 19 on your mobile device by going to your Google Play Store or App Store. So it is Hole 19 Golf Shots, and it is by Hole 19. It's got 5 million downloads and 26,000 reviews time recording. So once you've done that, go ahead and open it up for the first time. Now we need to go ahead and create an account or sign up with Google. So because I'm lazy, I'm just going to sign up with my Google account here and choose my name, Tutorial Wiz. And now this is going to essentially create an account and sign me up at the same time. So I'm just going to let this do its thing. All right, from here it says create an account, so sign up with email. Now if you've got an invite code, you can put that in now. I'm just going to click create. It should say your name, welcome, and then from here it's going to show you different plans you can use, but I'm just going to click out of that for now. Then from here it's going to come to this page here where we can look at golf courses nearby in your area. We can go ahead and click on find the best course if you allow access. So allow access, so while using the application. So now it's probably going to show you the most closest golf courses to your location. Now in order to use this, go ahead and click on the play golf button. From here it's going to have some round settings, so it's going to show where you're at, your starts, your combination, your leaderboard names, scoring, so you can select input mode, GPS only or shot by shot. So I'm just going to click on scoring, scroll down, we've got the format, we can change the format, general play, singles, 4-ball, foursomes, HCP allowance, we can change that if we like. And now we've got options here as well, so we can do a handicap round used for handicap calculations, also track steps and sync with Health Connect if you want to do that as well. So go ahead and click on continue. I've got to change this scoring, so I'm going to do Stableford, play for points, click continue. Now from here I'm going to save this. Then on this page here we can add some players, so go ahead and add players to this, and then also if you want to add a group you can, and then click start round. So on the next page, we can go ahead and look at the flyover GPS map, so you can view hole layouts and target distance from front, center, back of green. We can also drag the target icon to aim at hazards. Also, they got shot tracking, which is a premium feature, unfortunately. So you can tap the plus icon after each shot. So here's the shot tracker here. So you need to click into that. So you need to go premium. And it does say on average, premium golfers save 3 shots per round using the shot tracker. You can start that free trial if you like. Also here we got auto change hole and plays light distances, so available in premium for easy navigation and slope adjusted yardage. And also on watch play you can use your Apple Watch to wear OS distance scoring and mapping on your wrist as well. Now we've got the little settings icon here where we can change some of the settings, so we can change the round players inside of here. We've got the round options which we can edit. Also on the bottom right we've got a leaderboard. You can see the leaderboard for this or stroke play. And now if you want to finish your round, go ahead and click on the bottom middle and then click on finish my round. We can also look at my bag and the scorecard here as well. And then so click finish round, then we can save with score, without. I'm just going to do without score. This is just for demonstration. Then from here you might get a review. Now if you want to change holes, go ahead and click on that icon here and then click on to hole number 2, and that's going to take you to the next hole and so forth, and then just repeat the steps all the way until you finish your round of golf.